Ever watched your friends jet off on luxurious vacations or dine out at fancy restaurants and wondered, how do they afford that? Well, get ready to join the club of savvy savers who know the tricks of the trade. Today, we're diving deep into the world of smart spending and strategic saving. Welcome back to my channel, iPreneur. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to saving big bucks without putting a damper on your fun? I know, it sounds too good to be true, but stick with me because today, I'm spilling the beans on how you can stash away a cool $10,000 using some super simple money-saving hacks. Get ready to live your best life without breaking the bank because trust me, it's totally doable. Picture this. You're standing in line at the grocery store, watching the total on the register climb higher and higher. Or maybe you're sitting at your desk, surrounded by bills, wondering how you'll make ends meet this month. Sound familiar? I've been there too. But trust me, saving money doesn't have to be stressful or overwhelming. In fact, with the right approach, you can reach your savings goals faster than you ever thought possible. Over the years, I've learned a thing or two about saving money. And today, I'm going to share my top tips with you. These are simple, practical strategies that anyone can use to put an extra $10,000 in their savings account. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1, set clear savings goals. The first step to saving $10,000 is to set clear savings goals. Think about why you want to save this money and what you plan to do with it. Maybe you're dreaming of a tropical vacation, or perhaps you want to build an emergency fund for peace of mind. Whatever your goal, make sure it's specific, measurable, and achievable. When you have a clear goal in mind, it's easier to stay motivated and track your progress along the way. Tip number 2, create a budget and stick to it. Next up, create a budget and stick to it like glue. Take a look at your income and expenses and figure out where you can cut back. Maybe you can dine out less often or cancel that subscription you never use. Every little bit adds up. Budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive. Think of it as a roadmap to financial freedom, guiding you toward your savings goals while still allowing room for the things you enjoy. Tip number 3, automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save money is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. That way, you won't even miss the money. It'll be out of sight, out of mind. Trust me, this simple trick can make a world of difference. Before you know it, you'll have a hefty sum tucked away for a rainy day. Tip number 4, shop smarter. When it comes to saving money, every penny counts. So, get into the habit of shopping smarter. Look for sales, compare prices, and consider buying generic brands instead of name brands. And don't forget to use coupons and cashback apps to maximize your savings. With a little bit of effort, you can slash your grocery bill in half without sacrificing quality or taste. Tip number 5, reduce your monthly expenses. Another great way to save money is to reduce your monthly expenses. Take a look at your bills and see if there are any areas where you can cut back. Maybe you can negotiate a lower interest rate on your credit card or refinance your mortgage for a better deal. Don't be afraid to shop around and ask for discounts. You'd be surprised at how much you can save just by making a few phone calls. Tip number 6, avoid impulse buys. Impulse buys can wreak havoc on your budget. So, before you make a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you really need or just something you want at the moment. Try implementing a 24-hour rule. If you still want it tomorrow, then go ahead and buy it. But more often than not, you'll find that the impulse to buy fades away with time. Tip number 7, find ways to increase your income. If you're serious about saving $10,000, consider finding ways to increase your income. Whether it's picking up a side hustle, freelancing on the weekends, or asking for a raise at work, there are plenty of opportunities out there to make some extra cash. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and get creative. Who knows? You might discover a hidden talent and pad your savings account in the process. Tip number 8, stay consistent and stay motivated. Last but not least, stay consistent and stay motivated. Saving $10,000 won't happen overnight. It takes time, discipline, and patience. But if you stay focused on your goals and keep pushing forward, you'll get there before you know it. Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. In today's digital age, there are numerous tools and apps available to help you save money more effectively and efficiently. Let's explore some of them. 1. Budgeting apps. Mint. Mint is a popular budgeting app that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and identify areas where you can save money. It categorizes your expenses automatically and provides insights into your financial habits. YNAB, you need a budget. YNAB is a budgeting app based on the zero-based budgeting method. It encourages you to give every dollar a job so you're more mindful of your spending and saving goals. 2. Automated savings apps, Acorns. Acorns is an app that rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change into a diversified portfolio. It's a hands-off way to save and invest for the future. Digit. Digit analyzes your spending patterns and automatically transfers small amounts of money from your checking account to your Digit savings account. It's a painless way to save without thinking about it. 3. Coupon and cashback apps. Ibotta. Ibotta offers cashback on everyday purchases at grocery stores, retailers, restaurants, and more. Simply scan your receipts to earn cash rewards that you can transfer to your bank account. Rakuten, formerly Ebates. Rakuten gives you cash back when you shop online through their platform at participating stores. You can earn a percentage of your purchase amount back as cash, which adds up over time. 4. Price comparison tools. PriceBlink. PriceBlink is a browser extension that automatically compares prices while you shop online. It alerts you if there's a better deal elsewhere, helping you save money on your purchases. Honey. Honey is another browser extension that automatically searches for and applies coupon codes at checkout. It helps you find the best deals and save money effortlessly. 5. Expense tracking apps. PocketGuard. PocketGuard connects to your bank accounts and credit cards to track your spending in real time. It categorizes your expenses and shows you how much you have left to spend, helping you stay within your budget. Expensify. Expensify is a comprehensive expense tracking app designed for businesses, freelancers, and individuals. It streamlines the process of tracking receipts, mileage, and business expenses, making it easier to manage your finances. 6. Investment apps. Robinhood. Robinhood is a commission-free investing app that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without paying any fees. It's a user-friendly platform for beginners who want to start investing. Stash. Stash is an investment app that offers fractional shares, allowing you to invest in stocks and ETFs with as little as $5. It also provides educational content and personalized investment recommendations based on your financial goals. These tools and apps can help you implement simple money-saving tips more effectively. ultimately helping you reach your goal of saving $10,000. By leveraging technology to automate and optimize your finances, you can make saving money a seamless part of your daily routine. So there you have it, my top tips for saving $10,000 with simple money-saving strategies. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances and start building the life of your dreams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.